Hey everybody, good to see you all. Today I just wanted to make a quick video to show on Quizlet the preferred settings. Oh, hello, hey everybody. I wanted you to start with my beautiful face. I know you're probably missing me. So today I just wanted to show a quick video with how to do the settings for Learn on Quizlet. So let me just show you how I do that. Um, So this is sort of in reference to number 26. When you open activity 26, the instructions probably look similar to this, and I tell you practice these vocabulary words on Quizlet. Do this order: learn, write, test. So when you go to Quizlet, remember you have the different options here on the side, and I always suggest that students start with learn. Um, and then when you do the learn one, um, it starts up here with the definition, and I have my four answer choices, but I always prefer to have both of these checked, and I don't do flashcards or written questions. I do just multiple choice. Okay. And then you click the red restart learn button. So then I'm going to practice the business or practice of flying airplanes, helicopters, etc. is aviation. Okay. Um, and then this lets me work through the problems this way. Um, that just helps me to avoid the written questions, where the written ones, a lot of students don't like these because you have to type in the word, and the spelling is correct. So students get frustrated on that. So in this one, I always recommend just multiple choice questions and the red button. Okay. And this gives you a chance to practice the words a little bit. And then continue on to the others. Just a reminder, if you're ever confused about flashcards, we say we use this a lot in the United States to practice words. The way that we often do this is you look at the cards. When I was young, we used to have to make these with little pieces of paper. But then here you would read this side, and then you sort of give yourself a little quiz, and you flip the card over by clicking it, and then you see here the word is career. And you say, did I get that one right? Give yourself a star. Did I get it wrong? Something like that. And then you read and you sort of study the words that way. Most kids don't really like that, so that's why I suggest start with learn, check your options, check, multiple choice only, and then start, yes, restart. Hope everyone's having a good time studying, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.